Okay, Josh, I wanted to just record a quick video to hopefully explain this to you a little bit better because it was hard to type it in an email. So basically what you're doing 1 times 10 to the negative 14 divided by 1 times 10 to the negative 2. Why? Because you're doing the H plus concentration times the OH minus concentration equals 1 times 10 to negative, 1 times 10 to the negative 14. Okay, so that's the equation we're using. We know H plus. I believe it was H plus. So we know this, we know H plus, so we can find OH minus by dividing this by this value. And the H plus value happened to be the 1 times 10 to the negative 2. So I think you're just trying to figure this out in your head. Remember that these scientific notation represent really, really small numbers. So this number right here is a decimal number that has 13 zeros before the 1. So it's like 0.000000 and so on, 13 zeros and then 1. This is the number 0.01. So when you are dividing like this, I mean, you can use a calculator. It'll give you this answer, which is what I showed you in the video yesterday. But if you're dividing with exponents that have the same base number, which in this case they do 10, you're doing negative 14 and you subtract them. So you do minus negative 2, okay? Well, when you are subtracting with positive or with negative numbers, this becomes a plus, a plus. So really you have negative 14 plus 2, which would equal negative 12, which is the exponent that we got on our answer. I hope that helps. I hope that clarifies it for you a little bit, but all of your exponents on your calculations, on your concentrations will be negative exponents because these all are values that are less than 1. They're all small decimal numbers. Hope that helps.